Here's a simple way to create oxygen created foam. So just using your oxygen cylinder, put your tubing onto the oxygen cylinder, turn it on, clear it from the tubing from any residual air, apply your syringe and just draw up when it's on, turn it off. And then I like to, after I've done that, undo it and just expel, make sure I've turned off the main supply of oxygen there. And that's collecting the oxygen. Next is making it up. So I've got the oxygen in the syringe. I've got a T-junction. So that's standard T-junction. Remove the two plugs. Turn the cap so that you've got the airway through there. And then I use two 5-micron inline filters that are designed for filtering out small particles. It just is an easy, quick way to create foam. So take those out. I use two because it's quicker. You get a more accurate foam than you do just using one. You can draw up your solution. So in this case, just using Fibrovane, but you can use whatever. You can use oxysclerol, Sclerovane. So just draw that up. In this case, drawing up 0.5 ml. And this is a version of the Kibetsi method, just modified. So I like to get rid of any residual air from there. Pop that into there. And then instill the oxygen to make it up to 2 mils. Take that off, put that on. I just use a 30 gauge needle just to plug that oxygen, keep it in place, and then pump. And you see immediately with the 5-micron filters you get that gas immediately. And I just like to be consistent, to do about 10 pumps. You probably don't need to do as many as that, but you want to create a microfoam that's going to produce the results you want for injecting with. And I find anything a 27 gauge needle and up in diameter is fine. If you go down to the 30 gauge, you tend to disrupt the foam a little bit, but that's what it is. And you should get a very nice foam, a microfoam. That's the technique, using oxygen instead of air to minimize any side effects.